Welcome to the ultimate guide for stress-free adventures. Are you ready to travel with ease and enjoy every moment? This video is packed with essential tips and tricks to transform your journeys into relaxing escapes. We'll cover everything from the crucial pre-trip planning that sets the foundation for a smooth experience, to in-destination strategies that help you navigate and make the most of your adventures. Get ready to learn how to plan, pack, and embrace the unexpected, so you can truly relax and fully embrace your journey. The first step to stress-free travel is planning ahead. It's all about taking control and making smart choices before you even step on the plane. Begin by meticulously crafting your itinerary, considering your interests and desired activities. Do your research on your destination, discover local attractions, and plan your sightseeing routes. Booking flights and accommodations in advance removes the stress of last-minute scrambling and ensures you secure the best deals. Remember, packing strategically is also key. This means carefully selecting essential items, focusing on versatility and comfort, and packing light to avoid luggage hassles. With meticulous planning, you'll be able to relax knowing your trip is well organized and you're prepared for anything. Packing smart is a crucial part of stress-free travel. The key is to travel light and pack only the essentials. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched, creating multiple outfits with minimal luggage. Comfort should be your top priority, ensuring you're comfortable during flights, exploring, and relaxing. Remember, you're going on an adventure, not a fashion show. Packing light also avoids the stress of heavy luggage, potential delays, and the hassle of carrying extra weight. By prioritizing essential items and comfort, you'll be able to move freely, enjoy your trip without unnecessary baggage, and focus on experiencing new things rather than worrying about your wardrobe. Travel is inherently unpredictable. Embrace flexibility and be ready to adapt to unexpected changes. Things don't always go according to plan, but that's part of the adventure. Stay open to new experiences and be prepared to adjust your plans. Having a backup plan for flights, accommodations, or activities will give you peace of mind. Remember, a positive attitude is key to handling challenges. Instead of getting frustrated, embrace the unexpected and find creative solutions. By being flexible and maintaining a positive outlook, you'll turn potential obstacles into opportunities for memorable moments. The real magic of travel lies in the journey itself. It's not just about arriving at your destination, but about savoring every moment along the way. Take time to appreciate the scenery, from breathtaking landscapes to charming local streets. Connect with the people you encounter, learn about their culture, and embrace the unique experiences that make each journey special. Remember, travel is an opportunity to create lasting memories. So put down your phone, be present in the moment, and immerse yourself in the beauty and wonder that surrounds you. Enjoy the journey, savor each experience, and create memories that will last a lifetime.